Hey there, Brock Elementary parents. It's Miss Griffith here with your Brock Elementary update for September 16th through the 20th. Hope you guys all had a great weekend. Just a couple reminders real quick. School does start at 7:50 for us. We start to release kids to class at 7:40. Just a little reminder of that. We ask parents don't pass in the line. Um, and some other things. We still have our Write a Check campaign going on, and that's going to be going on till this Friday, the 20th. And I know our classes are all pretty excited about getting to pour buckets and buckets of slime on my head. They're telling me that every day, but it's going to be fun. So, anyways, that PTC fundraising campaign is going to go on until Friday. I need to get that off of there. Book fair's over. Tuesday, wear red, white, and blue. So that's tomorrow for Celebrate Freedom Week. So just deck out your kiddos in red, white, and blue, and we will definitely, it'll be a great day. Wednesday, wear gold for respect. And Friday is Hat Day and Fly Friday. Some upcoming events. We do have an early release day on the 12th, which will release at noon. You guys will get more information from teachers here soon. And then September 30th is a professional development day for teachers and staff. And our kids will not be at school that day, so they get to have a little holiday. Here coming up in October, we try to really schedule our first round of parent conferences, touch base with parents, and just kind of have a sit down to be able to let you know how your kiddo's doing. And then you can see here we have lots of other school dates listed right there. We have shirts for sale still in the elementary office, and if we don't have your size, Amber's placed an order for some more, and they're $15 a piece. We have also tonight is a community bond meeting. So if you're interested in hearing about what the district is proposing, 6 o'clock tonight at the intermediate school, you can join us there. Other than that, I think that's what we have going on this week. I hope all of you are ready for a great week. Go Eagles!